Okay, so I'm going to do an unboxing of a ATV tire repair kit. It's from Blackjack. It is part number KT-103. So let's take a look at what is included in this kit. All right, so we've got our obviously the tire plugs. So it comes with looks like 10 plugs, self-vulcanizing plugs, they say. It comes with the tool for installing the plugs, the T-handle. It actually feels pretty good. It's got a bit of a rubberized top, and it's pretty solid feeling. It comes with a small folding razor blade, so you can cut off the excess plug. And it comes with 4 of these CO2 canisters. So they're threaded on the end, as you can sort of see there. And it comes with this hose and valve assembly here. So if you look at that, this end here would thread onto the valve stem, and this end here goes onto the little canister here. And then this is a valve, a flow valve that you can open and close, and so then you do have some control over the inflation of the tire. And it comes with a little tire pressure gauge, and actually I checked it out here earlier. I'm gonna tell you, basically I did already open it, and that's a 10 to 50 psi tire pressure gauge, so it's kind of useless, but Polaris ships a low tire pressure gauge with the machine that I have, so I will be using that low tire pressure gauge. It's a little bit better. So yeah, and it comes in a nice little bag. It's actually pretty fancy. It's embroidered on the front, and it's a nice size. It's pretty small, so you know it's pretty compact as far as fitting it anywhere in your storage on your ATV. So I thought this was a good little kit to have on hand. I'll probably still have a small compressor, 12-volt compressor as well, but failing the compressor, if it gets wet and it doesn't want to work or whatever the case might be, I thought it would be not too bad to have this kit along as well. So I think it was about 40 Canadian dollars or 45 Canadian dollars for this particular kit. So anyways, it's one of those reviews of a product I hope to not have to ever use, but in any case, in case anyone hasn't seen what's involved with one of these smaller repair kits, because I looked online and I saw the automotive versions for the bigger tires, automotive tires, and I hadn't seen a review on this particular one, so I thought I'd pop that up there for anyone interested. But there you have it. Thanks for watching.